Hi guys, hello, welcome to SCMHRD. Dear students, I am Manoj Hudnurkar and Head of Department Operations. I would like to talk about the Operations and Supply Chain Department. Actually, if you ask me, the operations means whatever input comes when it gets processed and it gets transformed into a product is nothing but operations. Whatever goes into transforming or processing is nothing but operations. Today, in the world of uh, pandemic, operations has become extremely important. If you consider the old era also, take the example of the e-commerce giants like Amazon, Flipkart. They have a lot of resources, they have a lot of money, they have all the products that they need to sell, but why they lacked or their operations failed was because of just not able to manage the operations. In today's era of pandemic, let's take the example. Let it be everything was there. The products were there, people were there, everything was there. Only a small thing, that is logistics, which was absent. So it created such a disaster in the market. Okay. So my dear friends, operations is considered to be a very operations or supply chain is considered to be a very important thing. So all the managers today need to know what operations is, what how do we manage the supply chain. Let it be anything. Let it be finance, let it be marketing, all of them need, or let it be even HR, let all of them need operations because you can, maybe you have heard the terms like HR operations, financial operations, marketing operations. Take the example of even banking, take the example of even hospitals. All these service sectors today are nothing but they are managing their operations. At SCMHRD, we offer the subjects which take care of not only just the operations and supply chain concepts, but we embed or emphasize more on analytics along with supply chain. So, my dear friends, operation departments in the first semester offers operations management, basic operations management, supply chain management, and its concepts. In the second semester, we offer a lot of certification enabled courses. We help the students to gain project management certification, Six Sigma certification, and all sorts of epic certifications which are very popular. So, my dear friends, in the third semester, all specialized courses like supply chain analytics or supply chain design, then supply chain strategy, and international logistics are offered. Along with that, we also offer big data analytics and data mining. And in the fourth semester, we offer subjects like probabilistic modeling and design and simulation. We offer AI and such technological subjects. So, my dear friends, it is a blend of operations management, operations and supply chain management along with technological blend. Today, you may ask what are the key things that or the companies that come to SCMHRD to offer, right from the manufacturing companies like Cummins, Bosch, to e-commerce companies and consulting companies, including the IT also come. Moreover, a lot of students get selected in not only just the manufacturing and IT companies, but a lot of students play a crucial role in consulting companies also. So KPMG is a regular hire which comes to the campus and hires operations students, and a lot of other such companies like Dabur, Britannia. Such companies also come from other specializations along with operations. Not only we stop here by just providing the placements, but we also provide or facilitate students with a lot of live projects. Every year, most of the operations students have participated or have got live project from Coca-Cola, Tata Chemicals, and just to name few, and some of the startups also. So a lot of opportunities are there in the operations and supply chain. Hope most of your queries are being handled. If you have any further queries, you can get in touch with us. Thank you.